Witchcraft is a way of life. You know, this is not something that you do because it seems to be cool, or, well, it's a full moon, maybe I better go light a candle. It's not about any of that. It's a daily life, okay? Just like you get up and you go to work, you have your daily routines, you have your everything. Witchcraft, paganism, whatever word you want to use for it, is part of your daily life. It is a way of life. It's not something you do. Witchcraft is something you do. Being pagan, being a witch, isn't. When you start walking this path, you will find that it actually reshapes you. You know, you change from all the mundane, you know, whatever daily BS that's out there, okay? And you start seeing everything so different. You know, the grass is greener, the trees are greener, the flowers are brighter. I mean, everything becomes so different the more you walk this path and the more you truly get in to this path. And instead of following those stupid trends that are out there and half the stuff is fake anyway, you truly learn, okay? And you only truly learn through a real teacher. Doesn't mean you have to come, learn from me, but find a real teacher, not this junk that's out there. And it's not all about doing spells. You know, spells are part of it, but your thoughts, your words, your actions are a spell, okay? So be real and quit falling into all of this fake stuff that's out there, all right? If you truly want to walk this path and you truly want to hold your head up and say, yes, I'm a witch and I'm proud of it, then you got to learn it the right way. And you have to have the right thoughts and attitude and actions to go with all of that. You know, for those that practice when it's convenient for them, you want to know why that doesn't work? It's because you've got no real focus, no real energy. You know, it's like, well, yeah, it's new moon. What do I say? Yeah, well, I guess I could do it tomorrow. No, okay. It's you set your schedule. You're going to tell your boss at work, well, maybe I'll come to work tomorrow? No. Why would you do that for your way of life? And the deities and the spirits and the elements and the elementals and the everything that works with you, just have them on hold. Oh, just hang out over there. I'll be there sometime. This is why your magic doesn't work. You have to be dedicated and consistent and focused, okay? This is one of the old ways, okay? And we talk about this being a way of life because it was things they did every day. They went out, they picked the herbs, they had names because, you know, maybe at one time there wasn't necessarily names. They didn't know that something was called this, so they gave it names. Dog ear, you know, tongue of newt or whatever, okay? Because the plant looked like that, and it made it easier to know what to go get or what to send their child or somebody to go find, because the name matched what the plant looked like. But they learned things because they did it every day. It wasn't, oh, well, full moon's coming, we better get ready to light a candle. No, there was things they did at the full moon. They just knew all the things to do, and they were taught, and they passed this down. Well, this information is here for you too, okay? You just have to make the choice that you want to learn the truth in the right way, and not all the trends and the drama and the fluff and stuff out there. And, you know, there's a difference between identity and devotion. Anybody can walk around and go, I'm a witch, I'm this, I'm a high priest, I'm a high priestess, I'm a whatever. But unless you're devoted and you actually walk the path that you're trying to talk, and you actually do the things that are required, it doesn't mean anything. You might as well be at Halloween putting on a witch costume. Doesn't make you a witch. Okay? These things are all important. And this is why I teach on here the way that I teach. I try to give y'all proper information to help you. Now, if this isn't the path that you want and you don't want to be dedicated, then go watch all the fluff and all the wrong spells and all the backwards crap that they put out there just to get clicks and be happy, if that's what makes you happy. But if you truly want to know the truth and truly want to learn and want to walk the path and be a real witch and have your spells actually work and work the right way and not come back and bite you in the butt, then pay attention, because this is what I'm trying to help you with. Okay? And this is what I do every day. I have been doing this for so many years, okay? I started studying when I was 12. I'm going to be 65 real soon. May already be there by the time you watch this. Who knows? But I've been doing this a long time. I have been teaching for, almost 4 decades. And because I love to help people. And I want to see you do it the right way. And this is the foundation that Paul and I started our community on. So it's your choice. What do you want to do? Do you want to be a real witch and walk the life? Or do you just want to be a sometime? Your choice. I hope you have a wonderful day. Watch more of my videos that pop up. And share my videos if you like. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And click like if you like what you see. So until the next time, have a wonderful day. And really think about what I say, please. Blessed be.